Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. It's similar with flying. When you take off, you are never 100% sure what terrain you will be flying over that day. That day was a big potential in the air. You watch others like crazy twisting higher and higher, and you know that this is the time to start. Marmolada is the highest massif of the Dolomites. The name comes from the language of Ladin people and means shining. The glistering glacier gives Marmolada a distinctive and unique appearance that sets it apart from the other peaks of the Dolomites. The highest peak is Punta Peña, 3,343 meters. In the distance you can see Lago di Fedaya. Near the lake there is a cable car that takes you to the 2,625 meters of altitude, close to the shelter Rifugio Plan dei Fiacconi. From there you can see the glacier and the crevasses. Then continue up through the easy Via Ferrata della Marmolada. Then along the ridge and snow to the top of Punta Peña. The first ascent of the Marmolada took place in 1864 by Paul Groman. One of the climbing routes in the Sassolungo Massif is named his surname. Marmolada is separated from the Posta Vescovo Massif to the north by a deep and extensive pass, Pass of Fedaya. Towards the south, the Marmolada Massif breaks, creating a vertical 800 meters high wall. This is one of the most popular and challenging climbing walls in the Dolomites. The northern part of the massif has the character of steep slope, covered with a vast and visible from a distance glacier, named Ghiacciaio della Marmolada. It has lost 19% its volume over the last century and could disappear within 15 years. On 3rd of July 2022, 11 people died when the block of ice broke away due to the high temperature. Before 1918, the border between Austria and Italy ran through the Marmolada. During the battles, the front line passed through the massif. On the Marmolada and on the other peaks in the neighborhood, regardless of the season, the fights took place with Italian Alpine on the one side and Austrian Alpine Kaiserjäger on the other. Austrian soldiers were located in tunnels running in the northern part of the glacier, while the Italians were stationed on the southern rocky cliffs of the massif. After the glacier retreated, items belonging to soldiers were found. They were collected together with soldiers' equipment at the museum, Museo della Grande Guerra, at the Marmolada Massif, close to the cable car, near Peak Punta di Rocca.